Hey food lovers! Today we're bringing you a next-level dessert that will blow your taste buds away. Imagine the richness of tiramisu, combined with the fresh and zesty flavor of lemons. Yes, we're making a Lemon Labneh Tiramisu. This dessert is light, creamy, and perfectly balanced, making it an irresistible treat for any occasion. And let's get started. Ingredients. You'll need 1 pack of ladyfinger biscuits. For the cream, 1 pack labneh, 5 cups milk, 6 heaping tablespoons sugar, 6 heaping tablespoons flour, 1 egg yolk, 1 packet vanilla. For soaking the biscuits, juice of 1 lemon, 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons sugar. For the lemon topping, juice of 2 lemons, zest of 2 lemons, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, 1 tea glass sugar, 1 tablespoon butter, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. In a pot, whisk together milk, egg yolk, sugar, and flour. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. Transfer to another bowl for quicker cooling. Cover with plastic wrap touching the surface and let it rest. Once cooled, add labneh and vanilla. Then whisk until smooth and creamy. In a separate saucepan, whisk eggs and lemon juice together. Add sugar, cornstarch, turmeric, and lemon zest, mixing well. Cook over medium heat until thickened. Finally, add butter and stir until melted and smooth. Mix sugar, lemon juice, and water in a bowl. Dip ladyfingers quickly into this syrup and layer them in your serving dish. Spread half of the cream over the biscuit layer. Dip and layer another set of ladyfingers. Then pour the remaining cream on top and smooth it out. Finally, spread the lemon topping evenly. For the best texture and flavor, refrigerate overnight. If you can't wait, serve immediately and enjoy. And there you have it, a refreshing, creamy, and absolutely delightful Lemon Labneh Tiramisu. This dessert is the perfect balance of tangy citrus and silky smooth creaminess. Try it out and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mouth-watering recipes. See you in the next delicious video.